फ्रेंड्स, हाऊ आर यू? मजेत ना? असायलाच पाहिजे. माय सेल्फ मिस्टर नरेंद्र जंगले. वेलकम स्टुडंट्स. टुडे वी आर गोइंग टू स्टडी SSC Standard 10th Maths Part 1, that means Algebras, 5th chapter, Probability. From that chapter Probability we are going to study problem set 5. Now we divide this problem set 5 into two parts, that question number 2 to question number 10, that is the first part, and 11 to 17, that is second part. So let us see that part 1, that is question number 2 to question number 10. So let us start from question number 2. So first read that sum carefully and then try to write the answer. Here basketball players, 3 players are there, John, Wasim and Akash, were practicing the ball drop in the basket. In a basketball we have to drop the ball in a basket, so they are practicing. The probabilities of success for John, Wasim and Akash are 4/5, 0.83 and 58% respectively. So who had the greatest probability of success? So first write the probabilities of all these 3. तीनों का probability लिखते हैं. तो probability of John, so write the probabilities of all and convert it into decimal. So probability of success for John, first one is John, for John is, so probability of success for John is given 4/5. Now convert it into decimal form. 5 0 का 0, this becomes 40, इस पे 0 लिया तो 40, 5 8 जा 40, 0.8. that is the first point. Second one, find the probability of success for second is Wasim, that is given directly in decimal. Second, probability of success for Wasim, that is second player, is already given in decimal form 0.83, and third person is Akash. Therefore probability of success for Akash, this is given 75%. 75% is equal to 75% means divided by 100. अगर हम लोग 75 से डिवाइड करते हैं तो दो डेसिमल लेफ्ट में 0.75. Now compare, we have to write the result, we have to write the answer. Who had the greatest probability of success? So John having the probability of success 0.8, Wasim having the probability 0.83 and Akash having the probability, so whose probability is highest, greatest? So Wasim. So we can write our answer. So Wasim's probability of success is greatest and is equal to 0.83. So in this way we get the answer for first one, Wasim's probability. So here probabilities of John, Wasim and Akash are given, converted into decimal point and then compare, we get your answer. Now let us see question number 3 from problem set 5. Read that sum carefully. In a hockey team there are 6 defenders. So 6 defenders, 4 offenders and 1 goalie. So let 6 defenders be D1, D2, D3, D4, D5 and D6. Then 4 offenders, B O1, O2, O3 and O4. These are 4 offenders, and let it be G1. So here this question is given. Read that question. In a hockey team there are 6 defenders, ये D1, D2, D6 तक, 4 offenders, let it be O1, O2, O3, O4, and 1 goalie, that is G1. Out of this, 1 player is to be selected randomly as a captain. Find the probability of the selection. That conditions are given, event are given. So first write S. So here S is equal to sample space. In a probability, that sample space S and S plays important role. So here players D1, D2, D3, D4, D5, D6, 6 defenders, O1, O2, O3, O4, 4 offenders, and 1 goalie, that is G1. So this is the possible set, or that is called sample space. NS is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 plus 4, 10, 11. We get 11. Now first condition is given. The goalie will be selected. First one, the goalie will be selected as a captain. So we get this, let it be set A. A is equal to, so only goalie means G1. Now we have to find the probability of that set. So NA is equal to 1, and therefore probability of A is equal to formula NA by NS, that means 1 upon 11. So that is the probability for goalie to be a captain. Second possibility, that a defender will be selected. A defender will be selected as captain. तो let it be set B. इसको हम लोग B सेट लिखते हैं. अगर डिफेंडर रहेगा तो D1 या D2 या D3, D4, D5 or D6. Out of this 6, anyone can be selected as a captain. So here NB is equal to 6, and therefore probability of B, PB is equal to, for write the formula, NB upon NS is equal to 6 divided by 11. So in this way we get the probability of first one, the goalie will be selected as a captain. That probability is 1 upon 11, and a defender will be selected as a captain. The probability is 6 by 11. Let us see question number 4 from problem set 5. In this question number 4, what is given? Read that question first. Joseph kept 26 cards in a cap. जोसेफ ने क्या किया? 26 कार्ड रखे हैं, बियरिंग 1 इंग्लिश अल्फाबेट ऑन ईच कार्ड. मीन्स हियर एस इज इक्वल टू सैंपल स्पेस, एस इज इक्वल टू ऑल अल्फाबेट्स ऑफ इंग्लिश. सो नो नीड टू राइट ऑल दिस. सो वी कैन राइट दिस A, B, C, D, dot 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 dot, X, Y, Z, like this. So in this way, ABC to XYZ, NS is equal to 26 alphabets, our English alphabets. So in a cap there are 26 cards. On each card 1 alphabet is written, yani 26 alphabet. Now we have to find the probability. What is the probability that the card drawn is oval card? So the event is given, a card drawn is an oval. So what is the possibility? This A, E, I, O, U, these 5 cards will be there. So NA is equal to 5. Now find the probability of that. PA is equal to NA divided by NS, that means 5 divided by 26. So that is the probability. So you can write the answer. The probability of the card drawn is an oval equals 5 by 26. So this is the probability. So easily we can solve the sums which are based on this probability. Here this question number 4 is completed. Let us see question number 5 from problem set 5. That question first. A balloon vendor has 2 red, 3 blue and 4 green balloons. Red balloons R1, R2, blue that means B1, B2, B3 and greens G1, G2, G3, G4, let it be. So he wants to choose one of them at random to give it to Pranali. What is the probability of the event that the Pranali gets? Means a red balloon or blue balloon or green balloon. So first write sample space. In each case of probability, first sample space is there. So set of all balloons. How many balloons? 2 red. Let it be R1, R2, 2 red. Then 3 blue. Blue B1, B2, B3. These are 3 blue and 4 green G1, G2, G3 and G4. So you can write let the red balloons be R1, R2, blue be B1, B2, B3 and greens be, you can write this one. So NS is equal to how many balloons? 2 plus 3 5, 5 plus 4 9. So total 9 balloons are there. Now first probability, a red balloon. The balloon is a red balloon. When we select randomly one balloon, then that balloon is red. So what is the probability of A possibility of A red? It means R1 and R2. Only 2 balloons are there. So NA, we have to find the probability is equal to 2. Probability of A, PA is equal to, formula likho, NA upon NS is equal to 2 upon 9. So 2 by 9 is the probability that the balloon is red. Second case, the balloon is blue. अगर blue balloon चाहिए तो क्या आएगा? देखो, the balloon is blue. So let us see. B be the set B1, B2 या B3. How many balloons? 3. So NB is equal to 3. So probability of that set B is equal to NB upon NS. Formula लिखा. Substitute the value. 3 by 9, 3 से divide कर सकते हैं. 3 1 जा, 3 3 जा. So probability of B is equal to 1 by 3. Probability of A is equal to 2 by 9. You can write the answers in box. And third one, the balloon is green. Third is a green balloon. ग्रीन बलून के लिए C सेट मैं लेता हूं यहां पे अभी. C is equal to G1 आ सकता है, G2, G3 and G4. That 4 possibilities are there. Therefore NC is equal to 4. Therefore probability of C is equal to NC upon NS. That is the formula, means 4 by 9. That is the third probability. So in this way we get red balloon probability 2 by 9, green blue balloon probability is 1 by 3 and green 4 by 9. Now question number 6 from problem set 5. A box contains 5 red, 8 blue and 3 green pens. Rutuja wants to pick a pen at random. What is the probability that the pen is blue? So here first write the sample space S. So let that red pens, 5 red pens R1, R2, R5 tak, blue pens up to 8 and green pen here G1, G2, G3. So here 5 red, that means R1, R2, R3, R4, R5. 8 blue, B1, B2, B3, B4, B5, B6, B7, B8 and last one 3 green यानी G1, G2 and G3. So in this way NS is equal to total number of pens, ये 5 plus 8 13, 13 plus 3 16. Now the pen is, the probability that we have to find, the pen is blue. The condition is given, the pen is blue pen. So we have to write the set for that one. A is equal to B1, B2, B3, B4, B5, B6, B7 and B8. You can directly write NS here. यहाँ पे NS लिखा है, यहाँ पे NA लिखा तो भी चलेगा, लेकिन टोटल लिखा तो अच्छा है NA. So find the probability that pen will be blue pen. So that is NA by NS, that is the probability, is equal to 8 upon 16. So 8 1s are 8 2s are 1 upon 2. Therefore the probability that the pen is blue equals 1 upon 2. तो probability ये हो गया. So in this way we can find the probability easily. Now let us see question number 7 from problem set 5. Here 6 faces of a die are shown below. So 6 faces of a die, let it be our sample space. तो यहाँ पे 6 faces of die, instead of 0 1 2 3 4, these are shown by letters A B C D E A. So here A, B, C, D, E and A. So these are the 6 faces of the die. If the die is rolled once, find the probability of A appears on the upper face, D appears on the upper face. So first is, so NS is equal to 6. ये 6 बार die is rolled and these are the numbers on the upper face A, B, C, D, E and A. A, B, C, D, E and A. So these are 6 numbers. Now find the probability. First case is given A appears on the upper face. First one is given A letter appears on upper face. जो ऊपर का फेस है वहां पे A आएगा. So here A appears on the upper face. So let the set be F. उसको हम लोग F कंसिडर करते हैं. A 2 बार A आया यहाँ पे, तो NF is equal to 2 and therefore probability of that NF is equal to NF divided by probability of this set F is equal to NF upon NS, यानी 2 by 6. So 2 1s are 2 3s are, it is 1 by 3. And second case is given here that D appears on upper face. D appears on upper face. तो इसके लिए मैं अभी G सेट लेता हूँ. So D only once. So NG is equal to 1. Therefore probability of G is equal to NG divided by NS. So 1 by 6, that is the probability that D appear on the face, and 1 by 3 is the probability that A appears on the upper face. Now let us see question number 8 from problem set 5. A box contains 30 tickets bearing only one number from 1 to 30 on each. If one ticket is to be drawn at random, find the probability of the event that the ticket drawn is first one an odd number, second one a complete square. So first write the set, यानी sample space. Here 30 tickets are there and bearing number 1 to 30. So you can write 1 2 3 4 dash 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 up to 30. No need to write all the numbers. 30 तक पूरा लिखते बैठना जरूरी नहीं है, आप लोग शॉर्ट में ऐसा लिख सकते हैं. सो हाउ मेनी नंबर्स आर देयर? 30 नंबर्स आर देयर. देयरफॉर NS इज इक्वल टू 30, ये टोटल 30 हो गया. NS is equal to 30. So NS is equal to 30. Now possibilities are given, events are given. First event, an odd number on the upper face, an odd number on the ticket. Odd number on the ticket, let it be set A. Odd number मतलब 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 15, then 17 dash 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 29. तो आप लोग ऐसे लिख सकते हैं. Now NA is equal to, so find odd number. 30 numbers are there. In 30 numbers, 15 numbers are odd numbers and 15 numbers are even numbers. So here we get this NA is equal to 15. या ऐसे लिख के आप लोग काउंट कर सकते हो. So here we get probability of A, means probability of getting an odd number on the ticket is equal to NA by NS is equal to 15 divided by 30. So 15 ones are 15 twos are. So in this way we get 1 upon 2. Now second possibility is here. Second possibility क्या है? A complete square. A number on the card is a complete square. तो ये नंबर आप लोग लिख सकते हो अभी. So let it be B, set B लेते हैं इसको. So complete square यानी 1 is a complete square. उसके बाद 1 के बाद 4, then 4 के बाद 9, then 16, then 25. So these are the complete squares. और up to 30, 1 to 30 में जो complete square है 1 है, 4, 9, 16. ये 1 square 1, 2 square 3 square, 4 square 5 square, 6 square 36 आता है, that is greater than 30. तो we can check NB is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So here 5 numbers are there. Therefore probability of set B, means probability of the number is complete square, is equal to NB upon NS is equal to 5 divided by 30. So 5 ones are 5 6 are. So probability that the number is a complete square is 1 upon 6, and the probability that the number is odd number is 1 upon 2. So in this way, in question number 8 we can find the probability of odd number. The number coming on the card is complete square or odd number. Let us see question number 9 from problem set 5. Read that sum carefully. Length and breadth of rectangular garden are given. Length is 77 meter. ये लेंथ है, ये गार्डन हम लोगों ने निकाला. And breadth is 50 meter. And there is a circular lake inside the garden having diameter 40 meter, 14 meter. तो ये इसका रेडियस हो गया 7 centimeter. So this is 7 meter, not a centimeter. And due to wind, a towel from a terrace on a nearby building fell into the garden. Then find the probability of the event that it fell in the lake. So here first we have to write S. NS, S is equal to the area of garden. Area of garden is S. That means NS is equal to area of garden मतलब 77 multiplied by 50, or multiplying it 3850 square meter. This is NS. Now A is the event, the area of lake. Area of lake, that NA is actual area. This area is pi r square. That means 22 by 7 into 7 into 7. तो ये एक 7 कैंसिल हो गया. We get 154 square meter. Now probability that the towel fell in the lake. towel fell in the lake is equal to this NA by NS, means area of the lake divided by area of garden. तो ये एरिया हो गया 154 डिवाइडेड बाय दिस 3850. अगर हम लोग डिवाइड करते हैं इसको तो वी गेट 1/25. So probability that the towel fell in the lake will be 1/25. ये 154 को 3850 को 154 से अगर डिवाइड करते हैं 154 2 एंड 154 5 वी गेट आवर आंसर. या स्टेप बाय स्टेप आप लोग डिवाइड कर सकते हो. सो इन दिस केस वी कैन राइट सच आंसर बिकॉज एस वी कैन राइट एस इन नंबर्स. सो डायरेक्ट वी गेट NS यानी एरिया ऑफ द garden. That NS is equal to area of the garden, and A means area of lake. NA is equal to area of that lake. So here we get area of lake, area of garden, then probability is equal to area of lake divided by area of garden. We get the probability. Now let us see question number 10 from problem set 5. In a game of a chance, one circular disc is there and one arrow is there. The spinning arrow comes to rest at one of the number 1 to 8. So here the probability means sample space S is equal to the arrow stops or rest on 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 or 8. So this is the sample space, possible set of all possible outcomes. So NS is equal to 8. Now some conditions are given. First, find the probability it will rest at. So first one, arrow will rest at 8. Therefore let it be set A. So only one number is there, A, 8. So NA is equal to 1. Therefore probability that the arrow will rest on 8 is NA divided by this NS. So NA is 1 divided by this 8. So we get this first probability for the arrow will rest at 8. An odd number, arrow will rest at an odd number. जो नंबर है वो odd number आना चाहिए. तो which numbers are odd numbers? ये देखो यहाँ पे B 1 3 5 7. So 1 3 5 7, these are the 4 odd numbers. So NB is equal to 4. So the probability that the arrow will rest on the odd number is NB divided by NS is equal to this 4 divided by this 8. 4 ones are 4 twos are. So we get 1/2. This is the second probability. That means the number is odd number. And third possibility, arrow will rest at a number greater than 2. Greater than 2. So here C set, let it be C set. So greater than 2 मतलब 3 से लेके 3 4 5 6 7 and 8. So these numbers are greater than 2. So NC is equal to 1 2 3 4 5 6. Therefore probability that the number is greater than 2 is NC divided by NS is equal to 6 divided by this 8. So 2 3s are 2 4s are 3/4. And last possibility, fourth one, arrow rest at the number less than 9. ये लास्ट का पॉसिबिलिटी है. So here set D 1 2 3 4 all numbers are less than 9. sorry, less than 9 यानी up to 8. So ND is same 8, both are the set, both sets are same, and here we get the probability of that set PD is equal to ND divided by this NS. That means 8 divided by 8, probability is 1. So in this way, in 10th sum we can find the probabilities. So friends, here this problem set 5 part 1 is completed. In part 1 we see क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 to 10, क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 से लेके 10 तक का सम हम लोगों ने पार्ट 1 में देखा है. तो इफ़ यू हैव एनी डाउट इन पार्ट 1 देन यू कैन write in the comment box. I will definitely clear your doubts, and if you like the video, please press the like button and subscribe the channel to get the upcoming videos, and share these videos to your friends. Thank you.